you have to give back to the communities in which you live in. There's no question about it, especially if you're in manufacturing, if you're in any kind of business. This is going to be a staple part of central Wisconsin for all manufacturing, for growth for many, many decades to come. So why wouldn't you want to support an area in which you live? And that's exactly why we jumped in, Vinny, Joe, and I, because number one, we love central Wisconsin. We're from the Madison market originally, moved up here in 1983. This became our home back then, and we love it here. And that's why we continually, probably 80-90% of everything we donate, even though we're statewide, we donate right here to central Wisconsin. So why wouldn't you? And especially after hearing Kurt and everyone else talking about manufacturing, #1 manufacturing state in the United States. I mean, that's unbelievable. I mean, we have to continue to support, and I can't wait to make that phone call to Ron and Todd Wanek and try to get their support for up to $1 million, So I'm manifesting that right here, right now.